So probably 30s and above, tapos nagkakaroon ka talaga ng premature wrinkles.
But if the person using it is not qualified,
Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Beauty Consensus. Palakpak naman dyan. Guys, for those who weren't able to watch our last episode, it was all about skincare, di ba? Anti-aging skincare, no? Since it's gonna be 2026 na, no?
Oh,
And we
yes.
will all age. Hopefully naman umabot tayo, no? By 2026, no? So we're gonna age a year older again, no? So we will talk about, no, yung mga famous na mga anti-aging treatments, di ba? For those who do not know, ang Beauty Consensus actually is a gathering of experts on beauty, beauty enthusiasts, and here we talk about skin trends, myths, no, and also mga industry issues, no. Of course, no one has the monopoly of mga facts, no? And we have different experiences even as mga professionals. Kaya nag-guest tayo dito ng mga kapwa ko sa industry, no? And of course, we have two very top dermatologists, no? As guests for today. But before that, we want to introduce to you, no, my co-host today, of course, none other than the top comedian in GMA7 and host, no? None other than May Bautista.
Wow. Thank you, Doc Jean. Ako, parang mas kinabahan tayo talaga doon, ha? Opo, thank you so much. Pero tama po si Doc Jean, anti-aging treatments naman tayo. At I'm sure inaabangan nyo din po yan, di ba po? So, guys, again, pwede po kayong mag-personal message or right now, pwede kayong mag-message kung ano po yung mga questions ninyo. At makakasama pa rin po natin, mga Doc, long time no see. Opo. Talagang pwede ko pong banggitin na ang aming mga kasuotan ay brought to you by Doc. Anyways, sige po, ito muna po. Welcome back. Now that you know the basics of anti-aging skincare, tama po si Doc Jean na let's talk about naman po ang next level treatments. Okay, so perfect naman po ulit for those in their late 20s, 30s, at saka 40s who want a boost, whether it's for sagging, naku po, mga fine lines, acne scars, or just to look fresh for work or bago mag-event. So we'll cover old therapy, yung mga hindi po nakakalam dito, ito na yung opportunity niyo na mas lumawak pa yung kaalaman ninyo tungkol dito sa mga old therapy, thermage, yung mga micro-needling. Ayan po, yung mga botox fillers, biostimulators like yung Regeran at saka Profilo. Vampire facials, naku yan din po, pag-uusapan po natin yan, acupuncture, at saka even at-home LED devices, di ba po, Doc? So, ang ating una pong tatalakayin.
And facial exercises.
Yes,
right?
oo, yes, kasama din po yan. So, mga Doc, when skincare isn't enough anymore, ayan na. So, ano po yung mga product na dapat hindi natigilan na po ito or mga treatments or prevention, corrections, yung mga ganon, or pareho ba?
Do you want to introduce our guest first?
Ay, oo nga, no? Alam mo, na-excite ako. Kala ko na-introduce ko na kayo. Kasi nga po, parang...
Ibang episode na to.
Oo
Nag-blazer
nga,
lang
tama.
tayo, May.
In fairness, Doc, ha?
Nag-blazer na
Talagang...
tayo. Ibang episode na
I mean, in fairness to you, Doc, you are in the moment.
Yes!
Di ba? Talagang
diba? Presence of
not
mind.
only listening, talagang alam mo talaga yung flow natin. Okay, first on the list, eto naman mauuna po, Doc Michelle. Siya po ay fellow of Philippine Dermatological Society and a member of other local and international medical societies, including Philippine Academy of Dermatological Surgery Foundation, Inc. and International Society of Dermatologic Surgery. At saka siya po ay practicing sa clinical and aesthetic dermatology for 25 years. So mag-compute na po kayo kung sa tingin nyo, ano po kayang edad na po ni Doc ngayon. At ay private clinic sa Pasig City po at saka yung Derma 360 sa Power Plant Makati City naman po. Doc, long time no see.
yes. Happy to see you again.
Opo. Short message po, treatment naman po tayo ngayon.
So today we're gonna learn all about the different kinds of anti-aging treatments available in the different clinics in the country.
Yan, opo. At syempre, nandito pa rin po ang isa pa po nating magaling at saka talagang laging nakasmile. Dok, lahat ng answer ninyo nakasmile palagi po. Ano? Okay.
Automatic.
Fellow po siya ng Philippine Dermatological Society Inc., yung PDS po, at saka Philippine Academy of Dermatologic. Pasensya na po, live na live po talaga tayo. Dermatologic Surgery Foundation Inc., yung PADSFI, okay? At saka po dati po siyang presidente po ng hindi po toda ha, hindi bagay po sa inyo. Dati po siyang presidente ng PDS Central Luzon Chapter. Yan. Tsaka faculty ng Allergan.
Oh, yes, allergy.
Tama po. Allergan Medical Institute or AMI or AMI. At visiting consultant po ng University of Santo Tomas Department of Dermatology. Dermatologist Novel.
Yeah.
Novel, Dermatology and Cosmetic Surgery Center, Doc Maria Cristina Tansiangco Javier. Wow. MDFDFPDS po.
Ang haba.
Oo nga po. Pwede po yung nickname na lang po.
Lahat kami
Opo.
actually ganyan.
Oo nga po, eh, no?
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
Pero
Doctin.
pagdating sa edad, definitely, sabi mo nga, less than 100 years old kami.
Yes.
Oo nga po. Wala
Less
pang
than 100
isang daan.
years old.
Tama po.
Thank you again for this opportunity. And today, we will be discussing yung mga anti-aging treatments, no?
Yes. Ayan na. Excited na tayo dyan. So, ang una natin pong pag-uusapan, kailan ba yung skincare na, naku, tama na. Please, wag na to. Tsaka yung
Wala na
mga...
effect.
Oo po, yung tama na to, yung mga treatment na to for prevention tsaka correction. Yan. Tsaka kung ano yung product lang po na akma.
Yes. So for me actually, sa mga topicals, I don't think na parang you should stop naman everything altogether. So ano lang, there are just some signs of aging na we need procedures na. Hindi na kaya ng just topicals. So topicals may still be there, but we can do something else. Like for example, I think kasi 'di ba ang aging, let me just give you a brief overview of what happens with aging. So the skin, 'di ba, nagsasag, the skin laxity, so sometimes we see fine lines. And then sa subcutaneous fat, nawawala for certain fat compartments natin, kaya nagdi-deepen yan, lumulubog certain areas of the face. And then also there's muscle hyperactivity. Over time kasi sa kakakontract ng muscles, then we develop fine lines around the crow's feet, horizontal lines sa forehead, number 11 on the glabellar area. And then meron ding tinatawag naming attenuation or parang nagbabago yung elasticity of our ligaments. Yung ligaments na to, they're connected from the bone to the skin. Yan yung nag-hold on certain areas para medyo propped up and tight ang looking ang skin. Over time, pag yan may laxity, magdudroop yan. Nakikita mo nagsasag. Because we age. Parang nawawalan ng collagen elastic fibers. And then last would be the bone. The bone also in certain areas nag-shrink. Kaya parang, bakit parang lumulubog to? Bakit lumulubog dito? Humahaba yung upper lip. Or parang nagiging prominent yung eye bags. That's because of the skeletal changes with aging. So, in each area, meron tayong treatment na pwedeng gawin.
Okay
So, let's
po.
talk about skin tightening. Yan. So, yan.
Kumbaga, when we approach aging skin, no, parang bahay yan, no? Gumagawa tayo ng pundasyon, no? Yung foundation, and then susunod yung semento, susunod yung pintura, di ba? Iba-iba. No?
Iba-iba.
Kumbaga, kaya maganda pag-usapan natin itong treatments eh. Kasi
Yes.
they think one treatment can correct everything that's happening, no? In the
Yes.
aging
Ang
process.
dami.
No,
Oo.
it's usually a combination that will give you a more optimal result and of course, a more natural result actually if you combine. Kasi lahat ng problems, kailangan
Yes.
ma-target. Well, of course, depende sa budget.
And also sometimes,
Pwede namang
Opo.
i-prioritize.
you can't assume kung ano yung gusto nila pagawa eh.
Yeah.
When the patient comes in, sometimes it's really obvious na the line is deep here. Pero they'll say, what bothers me are my lips. I want it bigger. So parang, you have to also point out to them. Like, then they ask, what do you think? So then we give them a mirror and tell them, I think, your eyes make you look tired kasi lubog. And then, your lips naman are okay. It's just that parang they want it to look like somebody else's lips. So if you point out to them, there is a harmony kasi in the face. There's a certain proportion and it's scientific. So you need to point this out to them also. Na, they come because they want their lips to be bigger, pero if you brighten the under eye area, lift it up, and they look less tired.
Mhm.
Then I say, ay, oo nga, no? Or you address the surface, address pigmentation, and the skin looks brighter. So then there's a certain youthfulness to that. And then, as they said, each layer or each problem
Mhm.
can be addressed.
Or minsan po, parang may na-encounter ako yung, okay, halimbawa, concern mo lips, pero ito yung pinoint ng doktor, sasabihin, hala, ito nga yung pinapaano ko, parang additional gastos ko naman. So, minsan, hindi sila naniniwala na meron palang connection.
Pero
Yes.
if you tell them in a nice way and you show them, they'll say, ay, oo nga, no? Then you ask them again. It's a work in progress, eh. You don't have to do it all at the same time. What bothers you first, or then they'll ask you what's your suggestion. So you give them all the
Laid out.
suggestions. Of course, the time they can come is a consideration. The cost is a consideration. But there is naman something for, whatever the budget is.
It's a nice thing, di ba, nowadays. Na, dami nang magagawa.
Yes.
Yung panahon ng mga
Yes.
mommies natin, di ba, atsuete, nila, olive oil, di ba? Ngayon, ang dami ng treatments.
Minsan nga
Bukod sa
masyadong
skincare
madami.
So, sobrang
Sorry,
dami.
too many,
Yeah,
na hindi na nila
yeah.
alam kung ano. That's why we're here.
Yes. So, I think,
Para turuan sila.
whenever we see a patient, no, sana man lang, kaya yun yung value of going to a board certified or a well-trained physician or a surgeon or dermatologist. It's because kailangan ma-assess mabuti. Sometimes kasi your idea of rejuvenation may not fit you. Alam mo yun, ay si kumaring nagpa-toxin dito lang niya, pero parang bumata siya. So hindi yun pwedeng, not everyone will need it. So yeah, assess ka namin. So doon yung pumapasok na what we call as patient education. So parang ito i-share namin ano ba yung mga normal features of aging, ano yung meron siya, and then it's a work in progress, meaning the decision is both the patient and the doctor as you as an expert to lay down kung ano yung options niya. Doc, ito lang yung budget ko at ito yung priority ko, yung parang dark circles ko. So what are my options? So yung options na i-lay down namin, since alam naman namin each layer may end effect eh. So akala mo eye bags lang yan. Sometimes when we do fillers laterally, I know this is medyo na baka ma-overwhelm kayo. But sometimes nag-i-improve siya. Parang, Doc, dito yung problema ko, bakit dito ka magtuturok?
Or the cheek.
Yeah, or the cheek. So, we will explain that, no, step by step, ano yung effect. Kasi ang ultimate goal is natural looking result. Yung parang hindi gawa,
Tama.
pero improved. Diba? That's, I think, the best.
So, maging honest ka din kung patient ka,
Yes.
maging honest ka na, Dok,
Yeah.
ito lang po yung
Ito yung budget,
kaya ko.
ito yung lang kaya natin gawin. Pero number one, kung ito yung budget, kasi ideally, in a perfect world, medyo magastos. Kasi kung gagawin namin to, magta-tighten kami, maglalagay ng volume ng certain areas, restructural, no? But then, in the real world, if you only have a limited budget, yung expectations din niya. Parang, ma'am, okay lang ba? Medyo mabawasan yung lines, medyo bumabaw yung tear trough o yung parang eye bag area, so hindi mukhang parang deep siya, less dark. Will you be happy? So, yun lang yung kayang gawin at this point. And then, probably when you have the budget, then we can work on it.
Sabi niya,
overtime.
sige po,
Don't
Dok,
have
pero
to do everything in
Oo,
one
Oo,
session.
yes, yung
Yeah.
kaya lang
In
po.
progress.
Dok,
Unless na may mga DPWH project siya.
oo,
Kaya yung gawin lahat.
oo, pwede na po. Oo.
Yes, yes.
Opo, sabihin niya, Dok, ito lang po yung budget ko. Pwede yung pakiabonohan muna po.
Pwede naman.
Pwede naman.
Biglang
Dok, pwede.
pumila. Biglang.
Ang bait mo, Dok. Baka sila na, tawagan ka na nila niya, pwede ka mag-abono
Charity
pala.
Botox? Charity Botox ba to?
Opo. So, itong pinag-uusapan natin, ang sabi po, treatments aren't in shortcut. Okay? So, they're a supplement. Okay? So, ang next natin pag-usapan po ay lifting at saka tightening. Yan, gusto-gusto po natin yan. So, eto na pumapasok na po yung mga old therapy, mga thermage, mga ganun. So, ano po yung difference between dun sa dalawang nabanggit para sa mga batang patients, mga nagsisimula pa lang?
Nahus ko na. Okay. So, I love this topic kasi
Okay.
actually medyo ito yung isa sa mga first things that I got to talk to during conferences. Kasi when you talk about skin tightening, of course, we talk about, ang target namin doon is yung collagen and elastic fibers on the skin. Pero hindi lang siya sa skin, we also consider yung mga retaining ligaments natin on the skin. Kasi may certain, and the SMAS. SMAS is just a layer where your muscles also merge on the face. So, yun yung mga pwede nating abutin using devices. Yung yung na-mention mo,
Opo,
ultrasound devices yon at saka radio frequency, magkaiba yon. So, it's a different technology, pero the main function is the same. It's collagen remodeling through heating. So, radio frequency, ang ano niyan, parang we call that, what do you call this? The term, sorry, radio frequency, it's temperature dependent siya. So meron kaming certain temperature na tina-target to contract collagen. And after the contraction, magti-trigger siya ng production of new ones, which takes about a month before talaga fully develop. So the effect is also long-lasting for the strong machines na ganon. Another would be ultrasound. Ultrasound will also trigger new collagen and elastic fibers, pero siya parang micro-focused yung target niya on the underneath the skin. Itong dalawang technology na to, walang sunog, no downtime. No, walang pula, hindi ka magbabalat. Okay? So the energy travels deep down to the skin to contract collagen and trigger new collagen production and tightening. And usually these technologies, it takes about 1 month before you see the full effect. Hindi siya yung, meron, off the table, pwedeng may konting tightening,
Immediate
lifting.
contraction.
Yeah, immediate collagen contraction yon. But what we love is the long-term effect of collagen production over time. 1 month, tapos 3 months, nagre-remodel pa yan. Parang sabi na, Doc, tagal na natin ginawa, pero parang gumaganda pa siya. That's with a good technique. Siyempre, again, technique dependent. Pare-pareho man tayo ng machine, depende sa operator. Depende sa nagmamaneho niyan. So sometimes, Doc, ginawa na yan sa akin, pero parang wala akong nakitang effect. It
Baka
all
naman
boils
5
down.
shots lang.
Yes. Kailangan full treatment. May mga shots or binibilang kami dyan na number of shots. So, it doesn't mean you had this done. Dapat expert yung gumawa para makakita ka talaga ng lifting. And it should last that long.
Also,
Yun
to
yung
add to
tightening.
that, yung ultherapy actually, sabi ni Tino, will actually reach the SMAS layer.
Yes.
Yung layer na yon is the layer where you do the actual facelifting. Yung layer na hinahatak mo para mag-lift yung face sa surgery.
Surgery.
But this one is non-invasive. That's why it's called
Monster.
FDA-approved non-surgical facelifting procedure, yung ultherapy. So it targets the SMAS layer. With regards naman to the Thermage, it will reach the lower part of the skin, the dermis, no? So to stimulate collagen. This one, both could be lower part and the SMAS, no? That's
Yes.
why the Thermage has added lifting. No, the ultherapy has an added lifting. Not just the stimulation of collagen for firming. The Thermage, I recommend that for those who have medyo chubby cheeks who want some contouring.
Yes. Kasi may
Diba?
fat melting effect.
Pero pag merong sagging skin, we naman recommend ultherapy. Of course, depende yan sa assessment ng doctor. Iba-iba
Yes,
yan
iba-iba.
per person.
Yes. And of course, the budget.
Oo.
And sometimes,
the
do you do
budget.
it also together? I mean, in one
Yeah,
patient, will you do both?
You can
Yeah.
do it, no? Or not just Thermage. There are other radio
The
frequencies,
frequencies.
no?
Marami.
Procedure like
Brands
maraming
kasi.
brands like
Yeah,
there's
estrogen. Yes.
their
diba?
accent, no?
Yeah.
Yung face tune na tinatawag. There's ano pa ba? There's soft wave, no?
Yes, for
So
also-
maraming radio
Marami.
frequencies.
Oo.
ngayon. So we recommend that for fuller face na who wants more contour. For lifting, I go for ultherapy.
Okay. Yes. So, diba? Contouring kasi sometimes, parang lalo na yung may excess under, parang double
Dito.
chin.
Opo, ako
Medyo
po.
heavy to, parang medyo chubby looking.
Yeah, pwede
We can
yan.
actually slim that down using that technology. Tsaka yung, parang it's an art eh.
Tightening.
Actually, it's art. It's art.
Tightening talaga.
Opo. So, maging maingat din pala po tayo kasi dati, palagay ko parang before pandemic, meron pa nga po silang mga promo na parang buy 4, take yung every sessions.
Yes.
So, ngayon pala wala, may tama talagang hit at saka yung paano mo hahawakan.
So, marami kasing device. Meron yung parang ginagawa nila weekly, but the one we mentioned earlier, mga once a year or after 6 months, you can do
Saka
it.
cumulative the effect. You'll see those who do it regularly, let's say, once a year. On the 4th or the 5th year, that's when you see na, it still looks nice. And it's cumulative. Plus, again, even if the machine is the best machine, but if the person using it is not qualified, kasi if you overdo it naman, sobra naman. Want. And when you take away fat,
Buha
it's
ka
hard
na
to
matanda.
put back.
Yeah, and they have to be careful also.
Oo.
If it's too cheap, kasi hindi naman mura itong mga treatments na to.
Yes,
If it's too
yes.
cheap, dapat magduda sila.
Yes.
Kasi baka they're just pinapangalanan lang nila as old therapy or as Thermage, but it's really a different machine. In fact, some of the machines there, no, I've talked to a laser supplier, no, one of the biggest here in the Philippines. They said that when they opened up some of these machines, no, nag-trade in no, ng mga machine, bumili sa kanila, binigay
Luma,
sa kanila yung luma, trade in. When they opened it, it's just heating devices. There's no energy. No? So, anong magagawa nun sa skin mo? No? Wala. You'll just waste. You'll just
Money.
waste your
Yeah.
money. No?
Yes.
Or worse is may side effect.
Opo, yun na nga po eh. Parang unfair naman na mag-i-invest ka or mag-save ka for that
Kahit
skincare.
sabihin mong mura, you wasted your
Yun
money.
nga,
diba?
pero ang
Wasted.
unfair, paano namin malalaman na ito pala yung tama? So,
Or
again,
mamaya, 10 times na nung mura. Pero
wala
yes.
namang
wala nang
nangyari.
effect. You
Sayang.
spend for quality.
so, pray hard din.
Choose your
Pray.
provider. No, talaga.
Sa provider.
Oo, yun
Kasi
nga po
most of
eh.
these mga machines, when you go to their website, andun naman yung mga legitimate providers, so you can check them. And also, you can check also board-certified dermatologists in our website sa PDS, Philippine
Yes,
Dermatological
yes.
Society.
O yun na nga,
Yes.
Dok. Minsan
At
di mo
saka
na
the cost,
gagawin
it's,
yun.
hindi porket it's legit, it's the really, talagang to start with, the machines, the consumables are really expensive.
Yeah,
Eh.
that's what they're
Mura pa
paying
rin
for.
kami.
Oo.
Mura pa rin kumbaga the professional fee. But the cost of the machine itself, lahat ng ina-add on,
Millions yan
millions talaga siya.
Pero tumatanggap naman kami ng alahas.
Bahay,
Lupa.
titulo.
Pwede ng lupa.
Totoo
Pwede
do?
po yan.
Baka i-collateral yung mga titulo ng lupa.
Pwede, labuas ka dyan, may pawn shop kami. Joke lang po.
Grabe
Joke
naman
lang.
yun. Opo, okay. So guys, again, yun nga po. So maging maingat po talaga yan. No? Tsaka do some research din.
Yes.
Okay. So, next na pag-uusapan naman natin. Ang galing naman natin. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, next. Ito naman po ay sa texture glow tsaka collagen booster. So, ito po, ano yung pagkakaiba ng micro needling? Needling, tama. Tapos, yung mga PRP enhanced results, yung mga ganon. And kung may downtime ba kapag ka 20 to 40 years old na active sa trabaho niya, yung mga schedule niya, yung mga ganun po. So, please enlighten us. Opo.
Okay.
So microneedling, as the name implies, micro, so small, needles. So you injure the skin in the hope of it renewing itself to look better. So once you do that, so the needles reach different depths in the skin. So usually your target is the second layer where you have the collagen, elastic fibers. So the needles are directed towards the skin, and that alone will induce
Controlled
instead of using
injury, yeah.
the heat and the machines, it can stimulate collagen production. And then what will further enhance that is the products that you put on top. Kasi so you injured it, there are channels, there's mga butas na bukas. So whatever you put on top will be absorbed better. So there are different solutions like the exosomes, the PRP, the
Growth
peptides,
factors.
growth factors.
Hyaluronic.
Yeah. So hyaluronic acid, and it can be used depending on the depth just to rejuvenate. If the needles are deeper, it can be used to improve scars. So it is a good treatment for scars. So that's regular microneedling. There's another microneedling which is combined with RF, in
RF,
the
yes.
device. So it's called RF microneedling. So it's radio frequency plus microneedling. So
Okay din
more,
po
yeah.
yun.
Yeah. So may heat na yun.
Yes.
Yeah, may
Yes.
heat.
So with that, mas controlled yung depth, no? And then yung energy,
More
no?
Yeah.
injury.
Kasi yung sa needles, no? Pwedeng may certain areas na hindi mo na masyado madiinan yung needles, no? With the pen. Tama
Yes,
ba?
yes,
Kasi I
yes.
don't do that. I use
Oo,
the
yeah.
microneedling na
The
RF.
RF,
Because there are areas na masakit sa T-zone. So medyo bababaw na yung yung tama mo. But with the machine, no? Equal yan. So mas predictable yung results mo.
Yeah.
But of course, depende rin yan sa makina tsaka
I
gumagawa
know.
ka.
Again,
Laging dun
lahat
tayo dun
technical.
eh.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Laging dun tayo.
So with RF kasi, may added ka na tightening from the heat itself, aside from the microchannel. So parang for me,
Yes.
Double.
dalawa yung technology mo doon. Isang radio frequency that's for tightening and the microneedling which is
To stimulate
putting in
collagen.
parang micro-injury on the skin. That controlled injury will trigger new collagen plus may RF ka pa, so double.
Double.
So for me, may added skin
And
tightening
then may
effect ka.
solutions.
Yes, may
May
solution.
pa.
For the surface.
Yes. So the
Tama
solution
po.
will help na mas mabilis mag-heal. Kasi remember, may heat with RF. For both treatments, whether microneedling yan or the RF microneedling, there's also the microinfusion.
Yeah.
Needles
pwede
na
rin.
nag-i-inject na ng gamot
Nag-i-infuse.
all together without the heat. So that's another technology. Wala dyan.
Meron
it's
din na
another
needles using heat itself. Yun
Yes.
yung mga, di ba?
Yeah, the Texel.
Tixel,
Texel,
no?
yeah.
Then
Oh,
yung isa
okay.
naman yung
Yeah, yeah.
Morpheus, yun yung mga
Yes.
naririnig mo.
Yeah.
Yan daw yung ginagamit ni Lindsay Lohan.
Oh, okay. Kasi mabilis yung tightening with if you have RF.
Yeah.
But it also comes with a complication and a side effect. But especially with our skin color, medyo dark skin tayo, Asians, no, we really have to be careful kasi heat sensitive yung ating mga pigments. So we are prone to discoloration, we are prone to complications. It's still doable as long as yung settings namin are low and controlled and it's done by experts. But we can really get good results with that.
So why it's important to really go to a trusted
Yeah.
doctor and experience one.
Yeah.
Opo.
And kasi if over then, like now, there's like, it's in the US, that's why people are scared of the machine.
I
They
know.
put out a warning
Yes.
na it can
Over.
melt down too much.
No, I don't
Yes.
think
But
so.
you know, kung ganun din nasunog na yung patient, I mean, then again, we have to explain that we set it
At a different-
such that it's going to lift, to contour, to even out. Because we don't want to melt too much. It's not only with the RF microneedling, actually, the
Even the
too much therapy and too much
Yeah.
radio frequency alone can do that. So it's really important, again, that
Yeah.
you go to somebody who knows what they're doing
Tama.
and
Yes.
trained.
Yeah, kasi the ano nga ngayon, 'di ba, with the social media, well, it
Yeah.
really gives a huge impact on patients' perception. And even us, parang we have a double responsibility.
Yes.
Aside from just handling our patients, it's like this avenue is really a good, parang a good help and support to our patients and also as doctors kasi nagkaroon tayo ng avenue to discuss things like this.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi siya, ang dami nag-generalize
Correct
masyado
the
the
misconceptions.
misconceptions.
And the
Yes.
wrong
And take
information.
note yung mga naglabas ng
Yeah.
ng mga ganitong mga comments ng SOCMED na nag-aano daw na natutunaw yung taba. No? These are actually, sorry to say, surgeons who does a lot of facelifting. Kaya hindi sila ganun ka-experience sa mga lasers.
Yeah.
Probably
So-
because they want surgery. No? So, ganun.
Yes, yes.
So, kaya nga may mga nagko-comment na derma.
Yeah. Parang, well, these days, we really have to take everything with a grain of salt. Alam mo yon, don't take it hook, line, and sinker. Do your research, read
Yeah.
more, no?
Consult a doctor.
Yeah, consult a doctor.
Grabe na po. Parang gusto
So,
nila
akala nyo
naman
simple lang,
magpagawa.
diba?
mahirap
Akala nyo
mag-
simple lang.
Practice
Oo.
now compared to mga 15 years ago.
I know.
Dati
Because
when
po-
they come, they'll ask you and then you give your opinion. Now they'll come and tell you, I want this.
This.
But
Yeah.
if it's not what's for them, then we have to explain that it's not. Most of them get it. Some will still insist. So
It's harder nowadays kasi
Yes.
some of the patients, they've already went to a non-dermatologist, di ba? So they've experienced all these mga complications already, so it's harder for them to be convinced of what you're saying, no? Because people don't understand that there's such a thing as aesthetic practice, and then there's such a thing as dermatology practice, wherein we do aesthetic and the clinical dermatology, no? So nalilito na sila eh.
Tapos may Dr.
Di
Google
ba?
pa.
Nalilito na
May
sila.
Dr. Chat
Tama
GPT.
po.
So,
Totoo.
you know,
That's why, kaya may beauty consensus.
Thank you.
Oo nga po. Nakakalito na. Tsaka yung referral natin palagi, yung mag-google ka or i-consult mo sa social media, mga ganon. Sige po, idiretso na natin, speaking of mga karayom na yan, acupuncture, alternative and holistic anti-aging. Yun. So, what's facial acupuncture and how does it help? Nakakatulong po ba talaga? Tsaka effective ba for stress-induced aging in younger adults? So, can acupuncture be combined with injectables or RF treatments?
I don't have
Yeah, I
anything
don't-
against acupuncture. Ang acupuncture actually increases the circulation of the skin and yung tinatawag nila na flow of energy. So, kumbaga, it helps detox, no, the skin also, yung mga lymphatics, no? So, parang mas gumaganda yung flow ng blood and pag-detox. And then, at the same time, may mga studies din. Of course, kasi ni-needle mo eh.
I know.
Diba, ni-needle mo, you can actually stimulate collagen on that
Already.
area. Diba?
Pupunuin na lang natin ang needle.
Kaso yung may mga certain areas lang. So siguro doon sa area na yun, nagta-tighten then with the needle, no? And of course, it also helps in the repair, sinasabi nila. Kasi may healing effect nga yun, no? Kasi nag-i-increase yung circulation. But, acupuncture itself is not don't expect too much, no? So you cannot overpromise with acupuncture na, ay, acupuncture lang ako, bumata na ako ng 10 years. Hindi nga, so we said, no, there are different pathologies in aging skin, no? So may problem ka sa buto, sa fat, no, sa skin, sa muscles, so
ligaments.
lahat yun. So it will not correct everything that you see in aging skin. So do not expect too much from acupuncture.
Yes. So have yourself checked. Kasi doon, we can assess somehow. May asymmetry. Go to an expert. Yes.
There are, it's Chinese medicine. It's not Western, but it doesn't mean it doesn't work. So complementary with Western medicine.
Yeah. We go to lang an
Kasi
expert.
it works not only, for the skin, for, aching,
For relaxation,
Yeah.
for pains.
But anytime there's
for pains.
increased circulation in an area, then there's healing and there's
Yes.
rejuvenation, repair.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So if you read, it's gonna still say it lacks studies, but it for some, and it works. So if it works for you, fine, diba?
Yeah.
But it's not the only thing that will work.
Or wag lang isa. Kailangan
Yeah.
mag-try din ng iba po. Okay, so yung next natin ay facial exercise. Yun, kung ano po yung mga, ito po ba ay nakakatulong talaga, mga facial exercises, o nakaka-harm? So ang mga ano po natin, do facial exercises really lift or do they deepen wrinkles kesa sa magpaganda talaga? Or are there safe types of facial yoga? Ayun, yung
Facial
nauuso
yoga.
din po yun di ba? Mga facial yoga. Yung, meron ko akong ginagawa ngayon, yung gaganinin mo, tapos 30 seconds na ganyan. Mga yoga-yoga. Yan. Or yung ganyan po, tapos gaganin mo, ibabalik mong gano'n. So sabi ko, ba't kaya ganun? Ginano mo, tapos ibabalik mo din.
But
Baka lang bumaba.
your face is full of muscles, just like anywhere in the body. So maybe there are some muscles that aren't moved as much. But let's say, for example, the masseter, the chewing muscle. You'll see talaga that the used one it's gonna look different. Mas
Malaki.
prominent. Those who, let's say, teeth grind, talagang you can feel it.
Malakas.
As opposed to those who don't. So that means moving it can define it. I mean, and everything, if it's directed towards the lymphatics, usually the massage is directed towards the lymphatics. Even when you do facial massage or a facial or even body massage, you notice they direct everything towards the lymphatics because that's the waste system of our body. So if you get rid of excess fluid, excess
Water.
water, yeah,
And
that doesn't
swelling.
belong,
Mm-mm.
then I
That's a
guess it looks slimmer. I
Mm.
mean, along that context. But to say that it's gonna work
Make you
as
look-
anti-aging,
Mm.
I don't know how many times
Times
you're
of
gonna have to keep
massage,
massaging
yes,
your
yes.
face.
And
diba?
also remember, kasi when you talk about facial muscle movement, makakala all the areas of the face.
Mm-mm.
Remember, we do toxin treatment for
To
wrinkles,
relax,
to
yeah.
relax. Like for example, ito, the forehead lines. Pag lift ng ganyan, then you can have
Lines.
horizontal lines. Dito, crow's feet, diba? So, I think, yan yung sinasabi ng facial exercises.
Here,
That's,
the lower
that's more of
part,
the
yeah.
lower part. Kasi nakaka-volumize.
Towards the lymph.
Diba? Parang pag nag-workout ka, lumalaki yung muscle.
Mm-mm.
So you want it enhanced para kami enhanced cheek for those who lose this volume in the cheek area. Technically or
You develop
theoretically,
muscles.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
yes. Yeah.
There are
Or
actually,
nagiging
there
full.
is a study that says they did full exercises on the face
Oo.
for 40 weeks.
Mhm.
No, tapos in-assess nila yung wrinkles and yung fullness ng face. Nakita nila, nag-improve yung fullness,
Fullness.
ng lower face, ng
Yes,
upper face.
Yeah.
Pero yung wrinkles, nag-worsen.
Dorsen. Yes.
So, I wouldn't recommend that.
Ako din.
I
Ako
wouldn't.
din. Oo.
Siguro yung mga dito, yung
Here
mga
lang,
lymphatic
oo.
massages,
Drainage.
yun,
Maybe
okay
here,
yun.
the lower part.
But never the
Wala,
upper.
no harm yan. Yung mga guasha-guasha, no
Mm-mm.
harm naman yan.
Yes.
But don't expect too much. Temporary lang yan.
Or yung mga
Yeah.
tapping-tapping na ganun Dok, oh.
Temporary lang yan. It just
Temporary.
improves the circulation
It
there.
doesn't
in that area.
worsen. It's okay.
Mhm.
So, pero
Yeah.
don't expect too
Or
much.
even the mga home devices. That's a favorite question of the patients. You
Oo.
know, those things, or minsan yung, I don't know, the ones in the mall that,
Yeah.
I don't know if they hypnotize or what, and then they sell you all these things
Ah,
that cost a lot. So,
Yeah, they're
you
not
know,
cheap, ah. They're
yeah,
sometimes
they're not.
expensive.
I mean, I guess if you use it, but maybe it's not gonna compare to
a
a
machine treatment in the
that's
clinic,
in the
yeah.
clinic.
Mhm.
Yeah.
grabe, no?
So
Dami, no?
much.
Ang dami. Opo. At saka, minsan parang yung pera mo
But
kasi
parang
eh.
ma-discourage ka
Yung,
na.
ang dami kasi nakakalito na Dok, di ba?
Kasi minsan akala nila nakakamura if you'll do it at
Mm-mm.
home eh. Pero like kami, even with the strong machines, we're very careful with it eh. Yeah, kasi we want good results. But of course, guided kami by anatomy, by a lot of things. Ano, baka mamaya maling hila mo sa bahay kung saan.
Opo.
Di ba instead?
Ito na, medyo mahaba-haba ito. Talagang kailangan i-enlighten niyo po kami dito, Dok. Yung,
Magpa-part 2 tayo.
opo,
Okay.
mga ano to, guys, yung injectables for younger patients. So, ito na po yung pag-uusapan natin, yung Botox, preventive Botox, yun, yung mga dermal fillers. Trending po to ngayon, at saka yung biostimulators. Yan.
Ako, napakadami.
So, isa-isahin natin, Doc, sa Botox muna. Is preventive Botox safe for someone in their mid-20s? Ganun ka aga?
Mhm.
Tsaka ano po yung realistic expectation and how to avoid yung frozen look, yung hindi na halos gumagalaw.
So, yung topic na yan, botulinum toxin, yan yung pinaka-active ingredient, no?
Mm-mm.
So when you say botulinum toxin, temporarily it stops relaxes the muscle by stopping release of acetylcholine. It's a product that triggers muscle contraction.
Mm-mm.
Pero temporary lang yan. Usually naglalast lang yan between 3 to 6 months. It depends on the type of product. Now, you talked about younger patients. For me, you should not be doing it as a prevention, no? Not unless, yun nga, yung mga limbawa for contouring, may masseter hypertrophy, yung nagkakaroon ng, what they call this, teeth grinding, then we do it. But for prevention, if the face and the patient's really young, I don't usually advocate that.
Mm-mm.
So for probably 30s and above, tapos nagkakaroon na talaga ng premature wrinkles, tapos and lines, then we can do it.
Mhm.
Oo. Tapos, ngayon kasi, years ago, ang ano talaga, when you say na toxin, na botulinum
Frozen.
toxin ka, frozen ang itsura, now, we want it to look very natural.
Fresh.
Fresh lang, yung parang hindi ka naturukan ng ganyan,
Mhm.
natural lang, ganyan. So, ang dosing namin doon nagmamatter. Medyo lower dosages, that's only the ample amount of toxin, yun ang inaano namin, inilalagay at a certain area. Now, yung pag-inject namin, iba-iba din.
Mhm.
Because ang anatomy natin, iba-iba din. So, the dose, it will also vary. So para hindi mukhang frozen and natural tingnan.
Mm.
No? So ano siya, very artistically driven kami when it comes to plotting our injection points at saka yung paglagay namin ng dose.
So, hindi basta-basta kung marunong ka lang mag-inject.
Hindi.
There is a
Pwede na.
range kasi. Like for this area, you can use this much to
this
this much.
Yeah.
So, me, I think us, we like to stay on the lower.
Mm-mm.
And so it looks more natural.
Mm-mm.
Because it's always easy to add.
To add,
Mm.
yeah.
Botulinum
Follow.
toxin kasi does not have an antidote. Wala siyang pang-kontra. Walang eraser.
Mhm.
So, if it's there, you have to wait for the effect to wear out.
Mhm.
So, it's better to be safe and then just add. It's
Yeah.
always easier to add.
Mhm.
Kasi
Kesa
even
sobra
if you
po
want to
agad.
do toxin, kasi gusto mo may movement.
Mm.
Yung pag bumiti
Yeah.
ka, makikita nilang, alam mo yun,
Yeah.
nagmo-move yung
Opo.
eyebrows mo, less lang yung lines. Di ba?
Mhm.
Parang hindi ka mukhang
I
frozen.
remember,
Opo.
mga 16 years ago, we had a campaign, yun nga, with Allergan. No? They're the makers of actually Botox, the brand.
Brand.
Because Botox is a
Sa
brand.
brand.
Ha?
Mhm.
So, iba-ibang brands ang botulinum toxin. No? There's right now, there's 4 FDA approved. No? There's Botox, Dysport, Nabota, and Xeomin. No? I don't know with the others,
Other
probably
Koreans. So,
it's on
maraming
its
Korean
way
brands,
to being
yeah.
approved. No? So, ang nun, during that time, takot na takot sila kasi nga mukha talagang frozen yung itsura. No?
Yes,
There's an
yes.
artista na
Parang
takot
nakataas
na
yung
lagi nilang
kilay.
yung sinasabi, I don't wanna look like her, gano'n.
Mm-mm.
no? So,
Yeah.
nagkaroon nga ng advocacy on natural-looking results. And it's really the technique of injection. No? On certain areas, you don't go too deep. On certain areas, you don't go, you only do shallow injections, and then you also, there's a maximum amount that you can put on the, especially on the forehead, no? Tapos sometimes, this is the thing that I don't like sometimes, no? Sometimes they go to us na they just want the injection on the glabellar dun sa crow's feet. O di mag-over active naman yung magko-compensate
Compensate.
naman yung mga
Other muscles. Yes.
So, better to just put a little bit kung konti ang budget mo and distribute it
Mhm.
on the whole upper
yes,
face,
yeah.
no? Para mas even.
Yes. Pag lang medyo binabaan namin yung dose,
Mm.
ang ano lang doon would be the longevity, meaning hindi siya maglalast ng sobrang tagal. Unlike before, talagang if you do a full dose, aabot ka talaga ng mga 6 months.
Mhm.
Pag dinicrease namin yung dose,
Mas nawawala.
mas mabilis mawala lang. But that's okay. We can always, di ba?
Always
Put it
add.
back.
Oo.
Yeah, oo. Yeah.
Opo, yung naisip ko yung kapag artista ka, halimbawa, dapat galit na galit ka sa isang eksena. Dahil
Ay,
na
hindi.
frozen yung
Pangit.
niya. Hala,
Pangit.
galit na galit ka pero diretso yung nakaganon yung
Masaya pa rin
mukha
tsura
niya.
mo.
Opo, yung hindi gumagalaw talaga. Pero yung eksena, galit na galit ka dapat. Pero
Dapat
nakaganon pa rin siya.
umuusok na yung mata.
Oo.
Kasi
O
hindi
yung
mo na alam na
nakag-
galit.
Di ba?
Pag artista talaga dapat gumagalaw.
Expressive ka,
In
right?
fact, everyone should be able to still express
Oo, yes. Kahit hindi ka
themselves
artista.
through all these
Yes,
muscles.
Opo.
May complications din yan, ha? Siguro nakikita nyo na yan. Ay, bakit iba na yung smile ko? Nilagyan lang ako ng toxin dito. O kaya naman bumagsak yung eyebrow.
Kaya
Yung
nagmukhang
technique.
bahay kubo, yung kilay.
Oo nga.
Ganyan na. Sure.
Or yung ano po, halimbawa, yung
Kaya naging ano.
artista ka, yung image mo mabait, pagkatapos mo botox, parang kontrabida ka na. Pero yung yung entire image mo bilang artista mabait.
Oo.
So, nangyayari po yun, di ba
Kaya
po?
nagmukha ka ng Star Trek. Ganyan. Mga ganyan eh.
Diretso.
Yung mga ganun, binababa natin yun.
Yes. May mga remedy, may
Oo.
mga maneuvers din kami
Oo,
to
para
correct
ibabayo.
that. Yeah. oo.
Ang problema, pag nasobrahan,
Mm-mm.
wala na. Antayin mo na lang yan.
Mawala.
Kawawa ka.
Oo.
oo.
Ang good thing nga,
Yung iba
mawawala
pa,
siya.
nakapikit na.
Oh, yan mahirap. Yan.
talaga
Kasi
ba?
parang parang inaantok ako.
So ano na.
Bumagsak yung eyelids ko.
Ganun.
Kaya talaga careful sa sila. Ano.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, marami
Opo.
tayong nakikita ngayon dyan. Di ba?
I know.
Mga nag-i-inject sa tabi-tabi.
Oo, yun nga
Pagpasok
din.
mo sa
Yes.
clinic, madilim.
Oo, correct.
So, please
Tapos
be
mga
careful
foreign
talaga.
injectors,
Oo, be
paano
careful.
nag-inject to dito? Diba? May mga
They,
ganon.
they must be licensed to do this.
Also, you
Yes.
cannot get the injectables, whether it's botulinum toxin or the fillers, on shopping sites. They are
Yes.
only distributed by the official distributors through us. So,
Yes.
Ano nga
you
ba
know,
nakakaligtas
I
to mga
don't
or
know.
mga fake?
there have
Sabi,
been some
mga fake.
patients that have brought these to us, and
I will never inject that.
yeah, we will not.
Naku.
Kasi, di ba, how can you, kasi
It's
even the handling,
fake,
it's different.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Alam nyo bang, ho yan, dapat nasa ref.
Mhm.
Dapat hindi basta ganito. There's a certain temperature that we have to maintain to keep it at its potent
Mm-mm.
and optimum, function and efficacy.
Yes.
So, hindi po biro-biro na bibili lang yan at i-hand-carry mo somewhere. So, be careful.
Kaya nga po, yung, meron di ba, Doc,
Oo.
yung mga rumarakat lang na tapos magpapa-home service,
Yeah.
yung mga ganon. So,
Yes.
dapat maging, again, maging maingat.
Maingat.
Opo,
Maingat
yes.
po tayo.
Tapos, so ito po, mga Doc, totoo po ba?
Totoo.
Totoo po.
Totoo actually.
Yeah.
Kaya mo yan.
Opo. Yeah, totoo po ba?
Totoo.
Trending to, everyone trending to yung dermal fillers. Okay, so
Yan, ako.
even mga celebrity, Hollywood celebrity po like si Lindsay Lohan nga, sabi talagang give up na yung, or pinatunaw na yung fillers nila dahil it's not hindi natural yung itsura, mga ganon. At saka parang yung mga pillow face,
Mhm.
yung mga ganyan mga opo na gusto ko kasi itong subukan, Doc, eh. Pero hindi ko magawa. Okay. So yun, ano nyo doon, are fillers recommended for young faces? At saka sabi nga nila ngayon, hindi na daw yan dapat ginagawa.
Okay,
so you want to...
Okay, so actually this is a very huge topic. It's very an interesting topic, especially among us experts, no? So locally and internationally, this is a huge problem. Pinag-uusapan na kasi parang ang dami natakot, no, sa mga HA fillers recently because of what came out on social hyaluronic acid, no? Kasi siya yung most prominent filler. When you talk about fillers, parang pinaka top of the line is your hyaluronic acid. So it's a normal component of our skin and of our soft tissue, pero nawawala siya over time. So yun yung parang pinoproduce ng fibroblast natin, which is a very important cell in our dermis. So yan yung produce naturally. But then as we age, nalulose mo nawawala yung capacity natin to produce that, nawawala yung volume. So we sometimes put it in. But now, years ago, pag sinabi mong HA filler, volume, it's not that anymore. We can actually use it to restructure. Kasi sa bone, we cannot put anything. We can't inject bone, we can't put in an implant. Pwede. But technically, ginagamit din namin yung HA fillers to restructure the face. Example, younger patients na may konting asymmetry, born with a defect, asymmetric, di pantay yung face, maliit yung chin, retruded to, flat dito, parang alaman, and they want to look beautiful. And then we can put in fillers structurally. HA filler in general, maraming variants dyan for each company. May manipis, may medyo mas makapal, may matigas ng konti to give you that structure. Now, as experts, it is our responsibility to choose the correct product. One, put it on the correct plane of the face. What do we mean by plane? Underneath the skin ba, on the fat area, on top of bone to give that structure. Choosing a different product and choosing the wrong product and the wrong placement will give you a natural result.
Anong
But
magiging
doing
itsura?
it, so yun yung mga nakikita na overdone kasi pinipilit ilagay sa hindi dapat paglagyan. Kaya naging, gusto kong i-lift ito, yung nag-i-inject, beginner, probably, takot gumamit ng cannula, or takot ilagay yung needle on top of bone, or hindi pa siya masyadong sanay with anatomy and scared. So akala niya, just to volumize that, puno ng puno, just to lift it. But in the end, magiging puffy looking yan. Yan yung pillow face. So the correct way of doing it, kami as experts, usually, we look at the anatomy, ilalagay namin siya the proper plane. And it comes with training. Hindi namin to na-develop in a week. We really invested on training, studies, readings, and several and certifications before we do this on our patients, even on ourselves, on our relatives, on my mom, on my sister. But these are things that you really have to be very careful with. Kasi delikado rin in a technical way because putting in, this is a tedious procedure. There are vessels that we have to avoid. There are areas that we have to be very careful with to prevent complications. Like minsan nasisira yung skin, nagiging unnatural. Blindness. Yes. So please, nakikita ko po minsan na ate in a parlor, nagpapa-inject ng kung ano-ano, diba? So, please be very careful. Kami mismo nang kinikilabutan ako when I
hindi
do
pa nga
I see that.
hyaluronic, may oil,
Yeah,
may
may oil.
Petroleum,
jelly.
yes.
That's those,
Silicone.
Yes, so
Yes,
that's
we don't do
scary.
that anymore.
Mm-mm.
So,
And then did you see some of the parang mga TikTok na mga yun, na mga injections na
Yeah.
the way they inject, no? Mali-mali rin minsan yung mga injection points, no?
Yes,
And-
yes.
And kailangan rin talaga yung mata ng gumagawa, no?
Mm-mm.
It's
Because
an art.
It's an art,
Kailangan
not just
papantayin.
science.
Yes.
So, dapat marunong din tumingin kung anong bagay.
Mm-mm.
No? Kaya,
Mm-mm.
pag magpupunta kayo sa mga dermatologist nyo, tingnan nyo yung kanilang mukha.
Yes. Tingnan niyo po yung
Kasi
mga mukha.
Pag tingnan nyo yung mukha nila,
Tama.
may
Mukha
mali.
bang meron?
Yun
No?
ang maganda
Kabahan
sa
ka na.
kanila.
Yes.
Oo nga, pero
So,
medyo kabahan ka na din, Doc, na
yun ang maganda sa
baka maging
kanila.
magkamukha kami,
And then, saka
gano'n.
kasi, like, Dr. Tin said, if you put it in the right place,
Mm-mm.
the right consistency, like, iba yung filler sa ilalim ng mata, iba yung sa chin, iba yung sa cheeks. Put it in the right place, it's not gonna move from there. So, yung
Yes.
migration or yung gumalaw that people are scared of, it's because nilagay sa wrong place.
Yeah.
Pwede niyo po bang pangalanan kung sino po yan? Just kidding.
And also the migration. Let's talk about migration. Migration kasi para it's a huge din issue. Well, migration, recent studies have shown in papers na migration is also relative to the amount or the volume. Syempre in an area na masikip, pinuno mo ng pinuno, saan pupunta yan when the muscles
Wala
move
na
on top of it?
square.
Magsaspread. Kaya parang mukhang nag-spread.
Pero,
Not because
yeah.
the filler is bad, because nag-spread mag-isa, but because you put too much in a certain area. Kaya unnatural na yung facial movement. Imagine mo kung hindi na makagalaw yung muscles on top of that, hindi na rin, iba na rin yung facial structure, iba rin yung facial expressions. No? Yun.
Or also, they're putting a permanent filler. Na in
yun ang
time,
scary.
as the skin sags, bumabagsak din yung permanent filler. Kasi yung mga HA fillers, nagmo-mold yan. Diba? Nag-i-integrate
Mixes
yan
with
sa
your
skin
own, yeah.
tissues. Kumbaga, nagmo-mold na very natural looking. Ang
Integrate.
permanent filler, buo lang siya. So, para lang siyang implant. So, pag nilagay mo dito, pag nagsag na yung skin, andito yan, bata pa. Pag tumanda na siya, andito na.
I know.
So, wala nang correction. Hindi mo na yan
talaga po.
matutunaw.
Surgery.
Unlike HA filler, dun pumasok yung sinabing tunawin.
Yes.
Kasi ang daming wrong injections na dapat talagang tunawin. Ako, I do a lot of
And
melt.
yung
Bago
HA
natin
filler,
tunawin natin
may
lahat.
pang-erase eh.
Mhm.
Unlike Botox na wala kang pwedeng
Yes.
inject para ma-erase.
Mawala siya.
Yung filler meron.
Mhm.
May antidote.
Hyaluronidase. So, and it melts the filler. So, at, if you find na hindi pantay or pinalaki yung lips, they change their mind, inject, bababa
Mawawala siya. Matutunaw siya.
Oh,
Mawawala siya at ma-absorb ng katawan. Yun ang maganda sa hyaluronic acid. Madidissolve mo siya.
Hyaluronic
may
acid
acid.
lang. Kung oil and
Wala.
iba, it
Yeah.
will not. So, you'll know. Pag in-inject mo ng hyaluronidase, hindi na wala.
Yeah.
Hindi yun hyaluronic acid filler.
Yeah. Ang issue kasi before, kaya naghahanap sila ng permanent para makatipid. Siyempre nga naman, forever nandyan. But the thing is, hindi lahat tayo tatanda. Lahat tayo mag-i-age. So everything that's up there can eventually go down.
May iba pa
So,
din.
so ngayon, iisipin mo, gusto mo pa ba ng permanent na filler na pwedeng bumaba over time, no? So,
Bawal na rin
we want,
yan, matagal.
yes. Matagal na. Wala, actually,
Bawal na yan.
sa ngayon, wala na ako
kasi
nakikita.
foreign material
Body
siya. So, parang defense ng katawan is to envelope
Encapsulate.
it, encapsulate, and keep it there para hindi siya mag-mix sa normal. It's the body's defense mechanism.
So these days,
Wall
yung mga
off
ganyan,
siya.
pwede pa rin namang ayusin. But of course, hindi perfect with surgery. And my husband is, ayun, parang they do revision with mga permanent fillers.
Oh. So,
Pero dermal fillers are one of the best treatments talaga.
Yes,
One of the best talaga na na-invent for anti-aging. Kasi kagaya ng sinabi nila, it doesn't
Structure.
only fill up the volume loss on certain areas, but it gives you structure. It makes, you can actually make your face smaller and look thinner with a filler. Contrary to what other people think that it will look bigger. You can
Yes.
use it
Yeah.
properly placed on the correct areas. It will look lifted, it will look more
Probably you can add
smaller
here a
and
photo of a
thinner.
before and after of your patients. That
Oh.
even with fillers, nagmumukhang slim yung patient. Well, kasi with age, di ba, ang bata, medyo parang
Below.
inverted triangle, right? Medyo slim tayo dito, may fold ka dyan. As we age, nag-i-invert yan.
Yung mga ganun na.
Nagiging, lumalaki dito, doon tayo lumiliit.
Nagiging
So, yung tinatawag ng
triangular.
triangular. So, with aging, inaano namin yan, nire-reverse namin. We try to reverse it by tightening,
Remodel.
lifting, putting in the volume that was lost with aging, and somehow bring back that normal egg-shaped, slimmer,
Inverted triangle.
hugis-bigas face. Di ba?
Eh kung huwag ka nang magpapayat, Doc, yung mataba ka na talaga, yung, di ba? Or magpapayat ka ng katawan, tapos ito mataba.
It will still come down.
It will have.
Bababa pa rin yan.
We need to
Okay.
tighten and lift pa rin.
Kasi may yung narinig ko dati na parang wag kong mag-dream na palaging maliit yung mukha mo, maganda
Yes.
nga. Ay, si Salma Hayek.
Oh, yeah.
Di ba? Yung ayaw niyang magpapayat ng todo kasi ayaw niyang
Lubog.
lubog yung mukha
In
niya.
fact naman kasi is a natural volumizer. So, some of it there, I mean, let's say an older patient, it gives a more youthful look rather than yung biglang nagpapayat,
Yeah.
gaunt na tignan. So, that's why siguro they say that.
Opo.
Yes.
O, ito naman po yung biostimulators. Ano yung mga types nun? At ano muna po yung biostimulators?
Mahaba-haba.
Discussion
Okay.
yan.
Opo.
Biostimulators
Yes.
are...
Biostimulators,
Bilisan
napakadami. O, sige,
Opo.
bilisan natin. PLLA, PLLA.
Opo,
So,
yun.
mga ganun, mga elements yan. No?
Opo, diretsuhin nyo na sa skin
Yeah.
booster
So,
yan, mga
sige.
ganun.
So, skin booster is a different thing.
Oh, yes,
So,
opo.
generalize ko lang. Biostimulators stimulates ini-inject namin siya on the subcutaneous tissue or underneath the skin, or it can also be deep down on bone or on the fat compartments to produce new collagen and also and elastic fibers para
Okay
may
po.
tightening ka din. So, sa akin, biostimulators, I love doing them now for on the subcutaneous tissue for tightening and lifting, anti-aging. But
Also in
usually
combination with lasers.
in combination with lasers, and usually several sessions yan, about 3 sessions once a month, and then makikita mo the effect in about 3 months. In comparison to skin boosters naman, skin boosters. So, improves the skin quality.
Okay.
Yan yung nagbibigay ng glow, tightens pores,
Moisturizing.
hydrates
More
the skin. More superficial siya. Yun.
So kasi pag sinabi mo skin boosters, the skin boosters are made of hyaluronic acid din. Pero mas, kumbaga diluted or malalagnaw. Hindi siya highly
Highly
cross-linked.
cross-linked.
Unlike fillers na nagbibigay volume,
Volume.
ang skin boosters na hyaluronic acid, nag-spread yon.
Okay.
So, yung hyaluronic acid has the tendency to absorb water, no? So, mas nagiging moisturized yung area. So, if you want more moisturization, you go for skin boosters. If you want more of repair, of rejuvenation and firmness, so you go for biostimulators.
Biostimulators.
So, what are the examples of biostimulators nowadays, no? So, dyan mo makikita. There's exosome, there's growth factor, no? There's
PLLA,
PLLA, ano yun pa yan?
calcium
Meron-
hydroxyapatite.
calcium hydroxyapatite, ano pa?
Combination, hybrid. Hybrid meaning combination of the
yung
different things.
yung mga salmon DNA.
Yun, salmon
yung mga
DNA
ganun.
po.
So, dyan pumapasok yan. Kumbaga, sabihin na natin yung mga iba-ibang brands that we're not recommending, pero
Or we're
for
not
to educate them.
lang.
No? So, yung mga biostimulators po, ito yung
Sculptra.
nakikita nyo mga Sculptra, Radius,
Estafil.
Exosome na mga iba-ibang brands, no?
Estafil.
SCE Exosome,
Yes,
Anti-Exosome,
yes,
o
yes.
sige, ano pa?
Oh,
So,
yung
yan
mga
yung mga
skin
yan.
boosters yan.
Reduran,
Yes.
yung
Profilo.
mga
For skin boosters yan.
ito yung may hyaluronic acid, mostly for moisturization. These are Profilo, these are Skin Vive,
Yes,
ano pa?
yeah.
These are
Including pure polynucleotides can also be
yung
skin
mga ganun.
boosters.
So, hyaluronic. So,
yeah.
and usually, hindi rin siya talaga as a parang solo treatment. So, it's an add-on to the other treatments like your filler din, and also your mga Ulthera,
Yeah.
or yung mga contouring procedures,
Pero I
or
think
your mga
lately,
lasers.
Yeah, a lot of younger patients now, they're
Yan,
so
ito
hyped
ngayon.
now with skin boosters. I think
Skin
that's one
boosters.
thing. Kung halimbawa sabihin, Doc, anong pwede kong gawin at my age? I'm 25, I'm working, and I feel because of work na medyo napupuyat
Para
lagi
mas
yung line of work.
fresh.
So I think just want to look fresh and
Yeah.
want that Korean glass skin. Skin boosters would be the best. Yeah.
Okay. Pero,
So, injectables yan.
Injectables.
yes.
Small
Opo.
injections on
Okay.
spread throughout the skin.
Last part ng pinag-uusapan po natin, ito LED masks. Tapos iba-iba pa yung kulang, may red, tapos magiging blue,
Oo.
yellow, yung mga ganon. So, worth the hype po ba ngayon? At saka, how long before users in their 20s or 30s see results? Agad-agad ba makikita? At saka, which color po ang appropriate? Red, blue, yung mga ganon. Near infrared. Tapos,
The
safe po
rainbow.
ba?
The rainbow color.
Safe po ba itong gamitin, Dok? O uso lang? Or uso-uso lang?
Iba-iba kasi yung ano niyan. So tingnan nyo, sa amin kasi the ones we have in the clinic are the real ones with the kasi may certain grade din yan, may certain power yan, na wavelength, no? At saka ingat kayo hindi pwedeng ano yan, the
Sa
eyes should be
mata, yes.
protected. Baka akala nyo, baka minsan may nakikita ako, nakabukas yan, nakadilat sila,
Nabubulag.
nagtitiktok.
Nagtitiktok.
Tatamaan po yung mga retina ninyo.
Magkakatarak
ha?
kayo na
Yes,
maaga.
yes. So, the red light, actually we use it post procedure. Sometimes after surgery, after mga procedures na may mga redness. So, it's good for healing. It's also good as an anti-aging kasi nag-stimulate siya ng collagen and elastic fibers. Yung yellow,
Yellow's also,
Also
anti-aging.
anti-aging.
Blue is for acne. Kasi parang those colors reach certain levels in the
of
skin.
skin.
Opo.
I'm a little worry about things that you're gonna put directly on your face, tas naka-plug. Parang, no.
Scary.
Oo.
It has to be the real.
Hindi mo rin alam yung
devices.
quality.
Yes, they're
Yeah.
usually
LED.
they're not touching your skin. Your eyes are
Yeah, protected. May
Kasi yung
certain-
mga yun malayo sa'yo.
Yes.
Tapos nakaganon.
Ito kasi
Iba
nakaganon.
nakadikit.
Tapos naka-plug. Parang
Diba?
scary. Paano kung mag-short?
Paano po yung
Or basa.
video na o-orderin mo lang tapos
Yun
ikaw
na
na
nga.
mismo yung mag-ooperate?
Nakakatakot.
Atakot
Yan,
na.
no?
Oo. I don't I
No.
don't
So, there's a
recommend.
certain wavelength. And
Maybe
sometimes
not,
you don't even know kung
If
yung
it
wavelength
really-
ba yun, nare-reach yun.
O baka naman color lang yun, hindi ka Christmas light.
Oo nga.
Parang ang
Dahil
ganda
Pasko.
lang sa TikTok.
Bili na
Totoo
lang
ba yan?
ng proper skincare. Kasi
Yeah,
ng
I
LED
know.
na.
I think put your money where you see
Yeah.
real good results. Baka yung topical pa better pa doon.
Pero okay naman po
Sunscreen
talagang
Sunblock na
talagang gamitin yung LED mask pero nasa
The real
tamang
thing. Yes.
ano.
Well,
Ang
it
good-
depends on the quality of the mask.
Yeah.
No?
The
Tsaka,
quality of the
was it,
machine.
is it parang safe ba? No?
Mm-mm.
Kasi sometimes you don't know yung quality. Is it safe or nare-reach ba niya yung certain wavelength?
Oo.
Kasi if you don't reach a certain wavelength, walang effect din yun.
Mm-mm.
Like yung blue, yan, mas mababang wavelength yan, no? It's for acne. May antibacterial effect, no? And then pagdating ng red, nagiging na yan for collagen production, for
Yes.
aging na yan. And then meron ka na yung tinatawag na near infrared, no? Yung parang for healing na yon, for healing of the skin, no? For redness. Eh yung mga yon, hindi mo naman alam kung anong wavelength noon, no? Naka-indicate ba? And then safe ba yon, no? And
Good
then sabi
quality.
nga nila, ako talaga natatakot ako sa
I
kanila. Kasi wala pa cover yung eyes nila, tapos nakaganon lang.
Yes.
Ang lapit-lapit sa
Anything
Mata.
where there's
retina.
light and heat, you have
I'm
to be
careful.
careful of pigmentation also.
Yun,
It,
isa pa
it
yun.
might not be immediate, pero baka after 6
Pag
months,
melasma.
why do I have pigmentation? So parang,
Correct.
yeah, put your money on
Legit.
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 Kala ko on my
So
account.
really, quality really
Opo.
matters. Quality.
Tama. Yung nasobrahan ng gawa, why some young patients look overdone, yon. Ano po yung cause doon? Pumped or plastic look na sinasabi? Why is it, I know, yung timing, how often should younger patients maintain treatments?
I mentioned
What she
that.
said.
Ayan. Sige po.
Too much
Oo.
will give you the pillow.
And if anything is overdone, is
Yeah.
bad. Diba?
Tama po. Okay. So before tayo mag-close, guys, naku talagang congratulations. Sana mas talagang tinutukan niyo po yung topic na ito. Anyway, so hindi naman enlightened, pero ano po yung words of wisdom ninyo before we close? Isa-isa po kayo, Doc. Doc Michelle.
So for the procedures, in-clinic procedures, just as long as you go to a board-certified dermatologist, because they will be able to direct and
Kulit
guide
natin
you
dyan.
on what would be the proper anti-aging or rejuvenating treatment, because it's not a one size thing that
all.
fits everyone. And whatever's out there, not everything you see on social media or in the internet is true. I mean, we trained, and even if we finished med school so and so number of years ago, we still continue to train because it is an evolving science, evolving. Like Dr. Atian said, the way we injected Botox 15 years ago is
It's
different
different now.
from the way we do it now.
Mhm.
And there's always new things. The biostimulators maybe came out in the past 5 or so years.
Yes.
There's so many of them. So
Mhm.
we can, if you go to a trusted provider, physician, they will be able to help you choose what's best for you.
We second the motion.
We
Yes.
second the motion. So the goal, I think when you talk about anti-aging, whether it's procedure, whether it's topical or what, let's all go to a natural-looking result. Yung
Yes.
alam mo yung
Tama.
parang hindi ka tumatanda.
Hindi nila
Yes.
hindi nila nakahalata kung
hindi
ginawa.
nila alam, talaga, may tinurok dyan. Pero parang natural
Yun ang
looking,
lagi
di ba?
sinasabi.
Parang, I think that's the best comment.
Hindi yung sa
Hindi
mga
halata.
filler.
Oh, sa ano tinurok dyan? Di ba?
Alam na agad.
Yes,
Opo,
yes,
may
yes.
isang tanong lang po ako. Kung halimbawa yung edad mo nasa 50 ka na, okay, kasi mas pinag-usapan natin yung younger age po, di ba? Kung nasa 50 ka na or 60, kaya pa bang humabol na ngayon ka palang na-educate about it? Kasi mas easy access na sa mga social media. So, kaya pa ba? And can you still save your
Yes,
skin?
actually, most of the things that
Yes.
we've discussed are can be used
Older.
for 50,
Yes,
60,
Kung
even
gagawin
for
mo lang
older
yun.
women.
Tama.
Yes.
Plus, if
So,
they
lahat yan.
started early,
Early.
yung 50, hindi mo kang 50.
Oo,
Yes.
60, hindi mo kang 60.
Tsaka yung sinasabi niyang started early, it's not the treatment itself. It's the taking care of your
Yes.
skin from the start. Kaya nga,
And
what
your
you do in your
lifestyle.
what you do in your 20s or 30s will determine how much treatment you'll need over time. So let's start early with things na wala pang gagawin. Alam mo yun, just the good lifestyle, the right diet, avoiding all the things that will damage our skin and our health. And over time, this will cumulatively make you look younger compared to your
Calorie
counterparts.
restriction.
Yes, yes.
500 peso Noche Buena would be, I think, enough for calorie restriction.
Opo. Dahil dyan, palakpakan natin ang
Yes.
paborito nating Mars. Okay.
500 peso na.
Opo.
Controversial pa.
Okay, hindi Doc, sabihin ko lang itong closing spills natin, pero pwede nyo magamit o hindi. For safety lang po. Pero yung sasabihin ko na to, nasabi nyo na din po, Doc. Para lang baka lang po gamitin. Na po, okay? So, anti-aging in your 20s to 40s is about making smart choices. So, not drastic ones. So, whether you start with your skincare, add devices, or try procedures, the goal is to look like yourself. But fresher, syempre. So, aging is natural, but preparing for it is powerful. Yan. Yay! Beauty Consensus.
So true.
So true.
Thank you so much, Doc Michelle and Doc Tin. Maraming
ladies.
salamat po. Yay, Doc
Thank
Jean!
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Opo. Guys, don't hesitate po. Pwede kayong mag-iwan ng message, yung mga opinion po ninyo. And then,
Or suggestions on topics
Oo,
that you
yes,
wanna
yes.
discuss.
Yung mga gusto nyo pong pag-usapan. Thank you so much. Sana po i-share nyo yung ating YouTube na po. At saka please follow us. Sa mga hindi pa po nag-follow, please follow and then share the lives, share the YouTube channel.
Yes.
Opo, para
It's
mas
also
marami
on
ang...
Spotify.
Mm,
Diba?
mm-mm.
So also we have a Facebook and Instagram account.
Mm-mm.
Beauty Consensus.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Grabe.
Thank you.
Ano ko,
Ulo
parang
ko.
ang daming oo.